product that I have for you that's going to be great for gray coverage. So this product here that I'm going to demo is by Goldwell. It is called Soft Color, and what this is, it's a foam, and the foam here has color pigment in it, so it helps to kind of refresh and revive your hair. It's great for people that have less than 50% gray, so if you want to cover that gray, this is going to be a really helpful product for you because it lasts for up to like 8 washes. It's also going to be great for our clients that do want to be able to like refresh their blonde ends and tone their hair while they're at home in between their services. So I'm going to demo how to use this properly. If you're interested in this, let me know. I'm going to pre-order some of these products for people hopefully by next week, and maybe this is going to be another option for gray coverage. Give it a really, really good shake. You want to make sure you've shampooed and conditioned your hair and that you've towel dried your hair. And basically when you apply this product, I'll bring the mannequin a bit closer, you're going to literally just put the foam right at the root and you're going to smudge that in. It says to let it sit for 5 to 15 minutes. I think you can let it sit, especially for the regrowth, probably for like 20 to 30 minutes. Just let it sit, leave the ends out, maybe put a leave-in conditioner on the ends. Be very, very careful when you're applying this, and then you're good to go. As I mentioned, this product comes in 18 different shades. So it comes in the darker shades for the root color, but if you feel like your ends need a little bit of a revive in color or refreshment in color, they also come in the lighter shades, so you can kind of get rid of that brassiness and that